Well, you found your dream home or your dream property, and now you have to make an offer. Well, what does that look like? Well, first and foremost, we have to determine the terms, right? So you and I will discuss the terms as to how to structure the offer. Now, as far as prices is concerned, as far as an offer purchase price is concerned, the way we go about it is I go ahead and pull comps. I give you my opinion as to what the property is a fair market value, what it looks like, whether it's priced right or not. I'll give you my opinion of a fair market value on this property. Then you determine whether you would like to offer the list price, which is the price that it's marketed for, or go under, go over. It completely depends on you. This is the part of the transaction that we discuss. We discuss what is in your best interest. If it's a competitive market, do we have to go above, or do we have to switch some terms around to be more competitive? Or if you have more leverage in the market as a buyer in the moment, what kind of additional negotiations and strategies can we use, right? So these are all different things that we discuss during this time. After we identify all the terms that you're comfortable with, I plug it into the as is contract. I always go over the as is contract with you and any other addendums that are required within that process. And then finally, I submit the offer with your pre-approval or proof of funds if you're doing cash. And from there, that offer submitted and the conversation is started. That at that point, I'm going back and forth negotiating with that with that seller's agent, and we're just continuing to literally, it's kind of like a push pull situation until we negotiate it to the point that all parties agree on terms, and then we go ahead, make any adjustments to the offer. All parties sign that offer, then gets to become a executed contract. Congratulations, you have an accepted offer.